Temu affiliation, how it works and how to sign up. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this one, I'll show you the updated steps to join Temu's affiliate program. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe, and I'll keep making helpful content for you. Folks, Temu's affiliate program is a great way to earn extra or build an online business. As a Temu affiliate, you'll promote products and earn commissions on sales through your link. It's a two-step process, everyone. First, you need to register as a customer. There's already a video on the channel showing how. Click the first link below if you haven't registered as a customer yet. So download the app, do a quick sign up, and become a Temu customer. After becoming a customer, you can then become an affiliate. I'll leave the second link in this video's description. Clicking that link takes you to a screen saying you're a Temu affiliate. Clicking the link activates the first $10 in your account. Remember, you need $100 to make a withdrawal. Withdrawals are done through PayPal. Temu deposits to PayPal, then you transfer to your bank. Register your bank account on PayPal. Any type works. Next, click on Affiliate on the side to get your affiliate links. Scroll down a bit and you'll find it there. For each affiliate link, use a different promotion strategy. There's a pack with $300 in coupons, free gifts, exclusive offers, flash sales, high-value deals, and big savings. You can use different strategies depending on your niche or preference. You can promote by clicking here to copy your link first. You'll see these icons below for copying. Or click the orange Share button to choose how to share. Instagram, email, X, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever you prefer. A new Temu affiliate program just launched in my country. If you don't have it yet, take advantage now. Few people are. Commissions are higher than other affiliate programs. Don't waste time. Sign up right away. I'll make more Temu videos on setting up accounts and enabling two-factor authentication. So don't miss the upcoming videos. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.